What's up, guys? On this episode of Inspiration Nation, we've got a new project car, and we're going to be making this 300ZX way better than it ever was from the factory. And how we're going to do that? Little LS build on here. So make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the action. Without further ado, let's get at it. Before we get started with this, I'm going to give you a little public service announcement. This is a fuse, and if you have to replace this more than, I don't know, once, especially 3-4 times in one day, you might want to check out your problem. It can get catastrophic.